In this video, we're going to be covering how we can import antennas using the antenna database. As default, we have the half-wave dipole as our antenna. This is an omnidirectional antenna as seen in the horizontal and vertical plots. My current settings, I'm going to reduce the overall range of my calculation. We can now see the coverage of this omnidirectional antenna on the map. The gain can be manually adjusted to required settings, in this case 6 dBi, and we can see how this has affected coverage on the map. The antenna database can be opened by pressing the Manage My Antennas button. Within this new window, we have options to upload our own antenna patterns via the wizard and upload tool. Existing antennas can be searched for by their ID or model. Alternatively, they can be filtered by their manufacturer, gain value, or frequency range. Antenna parameters can be viewed by pressing the model name. Antennas can also be rated, favorited so that they appear in the user interface, and downloaded as a .adf file. I can now select this antenna for my transmitter from the drop-down. Due to this being a directional antenna, I'm also going to use the azimuth tool to place it correctly. Again, I'm going to reduce the overall range of this calculation as well. By running the calculation, I can see how this new antenna has affected my coverage. I'm now going to cover a more advanced feature, which is creating custom antenna patterns. This is available in engineer mode. By changing the antenna origin to custom pattern, I can manually type in the values for my antenna. These values should match the datasheet to get the best accuracy with your calculations. Once all the parameters have been stored in the system, the custom pattern can be downloaded as a .ant file, which can then be uploaded into the antenna database. By running the calculation, we can now see the custom antenna pattern in our coverage.